Is it time to replace your old air conditioning system? Are you experiencing breakdowns, noisy startups, high energy bills, or the inability of your current system to simply keep your home cool? If so, you should replace your old worn AC with a modern energy-saving American Standard Platinum system. With special incentives for a limited time, your American Standard Platinum system will work long into the future, keeping your energy costs low and your home the perfect temperature. Call John at AirVantage today to learn more. 409-925-6171. That's 409-925-6171 today.